you ready to record?
I mean, now I see you move. What are you doing?
Punching you. Trying to wake you up. Are you ready to record?
Yeah, see, no, you froze totally. That's why.
Am I frozen right now?
No, you're good now.
Well,
Now you're frozen.
no, right. It's
Now,
your internet.
okay, good.
It's got to be your internet connection. Let me look. Maybe it's
Yeah,
mine.
probably sucks.
So
What else is new, right?
Yeah, we're good. Let's pump this out. You ready?
Yeah, so what are we saying?
So who's the winner? Just name who's the winner.
Craig.
Oh my gosh! As soon as you wanted to say that, you froze. We totally missed when you.
How do we pronounce his last name? Banach?
Banash. All right, say it again. Who's the winner?
Craig Banach.
Perfect. I got it. I got it. So we're gonna try and reach Craig. Now, don't give up hope, because if Craig doesn't accept the gift card, it's gonna have to go to somebody else. So our winner.
Got to give him a time limit. How long does he have?
We'll give him 7 days.
Oh wow, a whole week.
Well, I mean, some people don't.
I didn't know you did that. Okay, good. Do it.
Yeah, he's got 7 days to get hold of us. I don't want to. I could imagine you got 24 hours. On the 25th hour, he writes me.
Yeah, right.
That's why he gets a week. If he blows it from a week, then we'll give it to somebody else. But for right now, Craig Banash, you need to contact me via any one of my social medias: Facebook, Instagram. You can get me on Twitter. You can get me. You can message my discussion on my channel. You can do whatever you can. But I need your information so we can send you the gift card, because you are our $100 winner. We good?
All right, we're good.
All right. So let's give him that card.